20 Rules of Money by 20 Millionaires. Hey there, money-savvy viewers! Did you know that 85% of millionaires read at least 2 books per month? That's right, successful people are constantly learning and growing. Today, we're diving into 20 Rules of Money by 20 Millionaires. These aren't just any rules, they're the golden nuggets of financial wisdom from people who've made it big. Managing money can be tough, but who better to learn from than those who've mastered it? So, let's get started and see what these millionaires have to teach us. Rule 1. Live below your means. This essential rule comes from Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time. Despite his immense wealth, Buffett still lives in the same house he bought in 1958. He believes that overspending is the easiest way to derail your financial goals. The idea is simple. Resist the urge to buy things you don't need, even as your income grows. Living below your means allows you to save and invest more, setting the stage for financial security and growth. It's about prioritizing long-term wealth over short-term gratification. Rule 2. Invest in yourself. Self-made millionaire Grant Cardone swears by this rule. He says the best investment you can make is in your own skills and knowledge. Whether it's taking courses, reading books, or attending workshops, anything that makes you more valuable is worth the investment. When you invest in yourself, you increase your earning potential and open up new opportunities. This investment can lead to better job prospects, higher salaries, and the ability to start your own business. Rule 3. Create multiple income streams. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, emphasizes the importance of not relying on just one source of income. Diversifying your income streams can include investments, side hustles, or rental properties. This approach provides financial stability and can accelerate your path to wealth. By having multiple streams, you also protect yourself against unexpected financial setbacks. It's like having multiple lifeboats. If one fails, you have others to keep you afloat. Rule 4. Pay yourself first. David Bach, author of The Automatic Millionaire, coined the phrase, "pay yourself first." This means setting aside a portion of your income for savings and investments before paying any bills or making purchases. This rule ensures that you prioritize your financial future and build a habit of saving. By automating your savings, you make it easier to stick to your financial goals. This disciplined approach can lead to significant savings over time. Rule 5. Avoid bad debt. Mark Cuban is a strong advocate for avoiding bad debt. He distinguishes between good debt like a mortgage or business loan and bad debt like credit card balances. High-interest consumer debt can be a significant drain on your finances. Cuban advises paying off any bad debt as quickly as possible and avoiding it altogether if you can. The goal is to use debt strategically, not as a crutch. By keeping debt under control, you free up more of your income for savings and investments. Rule 6. Have a financial plan. Suze Orman stresses the importance of having a clear financial roadmap. Set specific, measurable goals for your money and create a plan to achieve them. Regularly review and adjust your plan to stay on track. A financial plan helps you make informed decisions and keeps you focused on your long-term objectives. It acts as a guide, helping you navigate through financial challenges and opportunities. Rule 7. Embrace calculated risks. Sarah Blakely, founder of Spanx, credits her success to taking smart, calculated risks. She encourages aspiring entrepreneurs to not be afraid of investing in opportunities that have the potential for high returns. However, it's crucial to do thorough research and understand the risks involved. Calculated risks can lead to significant rewards, but they require careful planning and execution. It's about balancing risk with potential reward and being prepared for different outcomes. Rule 8. Focus on cash flow. Robert Kiyosaki makes another appearance with this crucial rule. Focus on generating positive cash flow from your investments. Cash flow is the money that remains after all expenses are paid. It's essential for sustaining and growing your wealth. Look for assets that consistently put money in your pocket, whether through dividends, rental income, or business profits. Positive cash flow provides the liquidity needed to invest in new opportunities and cover unexpected expenses. Rule 9. Start early. Many millionaires, including Warren Buffett, stress the power of compound interest and the importance of starting early. The earlier you begin saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small contributions can lead to substantial wealth over time, thanks to the magic of compounding. Starting early also gives you more time to recover from any financial mistakes. It's about giving your money the maximum amount of time to work for you. Rule 10. Diversify your investments. Ray Dalio, founder of Bridgewater Associates, is a big proponent of diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, you can minimize risk and protect your portfolio against market volatility. Diversification helps balance the potential for growth with a need for stability. It's a strategy that reduces risk by not being overly exposed to any single investment. Rule 11. Continuously educate yourself about money. Tony Robbins emphasizes the importance of financial literacy. Stay informed about personal finance, investing, and economic trends. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make with your money. Continuous education can help you adapt to changing market conditions and take advantage of new opportunities. Knowledge is power, and in the financial world, it can be the difference between success and failure. Rule 12. Network and build relationships. Many millionaires, including Richard Branson, attribute their success to networking. Building strong relationships can lead to opportunities and partnerships that might not be available otherwise. Networking isn't just about what you know, it's also about who you know. Be genuine, offer value, and maintain a broad network of contacts. Networking can open doors to new opportunities, mentorship, and collaborations. Rule 13. Be patient. Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's longtime business partner, advocates for patience in investing and wealth building. Good things take time. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Focus on consistent, long-term growth. Patience allows you to weather market fluctuations and make more rational investment decisions. It's about playing the long game and not getting discouraged by short-term setbacks. Rule 14. Learn from your mistakes. Oprah Winfrey often talks about the importance of learning from failures. Everyone makes financial mistakes. The key is to learn from them and use that knowledge to make better decisions in the future. Mistakes can be valuable lessons that guide you toward better financial habits and strategies. It's about turning setbacks into setups for success. Rule 15. Give back. Many millionaires, including Bill Gates, believe in the importance of philanthropy. Giving back not only helps others, but can also provide tax benefits and personal fulfillment. Whether through charitable donations, volunteering, or supporting causes you care about, giving back can be a rewarding part of your financial plan. It adds purpose to your wealth and helps create a positive impact in the world. Rule 16. Keep your lifestyle in check. This rule comes from Thomas J. Stanley, author of The Millionaire Next Door. Many millionaires live relatively modest lifestyles despite their wealth. Avoid lifestyle inflation as your income grows. Save and invest the difference instead. This frugality helps preserve and grow wealth over the long term. It's about being mindful of your spending and making sure it aligns with your financial goals. Rule 17. Focus on earning, not just saving. Grant Cardone makes another appearance with this rule. While saving is crucial, there's a limit to how much you can cut expenses. Focusing on increasing your income through investments, business ventures, or career advancement can significantly accelerate your wealth-building journey. It's about finding ways to grow your income, rather than just cutting costs. Rule 18. Understand and use tax laws. Many millionaires, including Donald Trump, emphasize the importance of tax strategy. Understanding the tax implications of your financial decisions can save you a significant amount of money. Use legal methods to minimize your tax burden and keep more of your earnings. Consult with a tax professional to optimize your tax strategy. It's about being smart with your money and taking advantage of available tax benefits. Rule 19. Have an exit strategy. This rule comes from Robert Herjavec of Shark Tank fame. Whether it's for an investment or a business venture, always know your exit plan. Having a clear idea of when and how you'll cash out can help you make better decisions and maximize your returns. An exit strategy helps you plan for the future and ensures that you can capitalize on your investments at the right time. Rule 20. Stay hungry and curious. Our final rule comes from Steve Jobs. He believed that staying curious and always seeking new knowledge was key to success. Never stop learning and growing, both personally and financially. A continuous thirst for knowledge can lead to new ideas, innovations, and opportunities. It's about maintaining a growth mindset and being open to new possibilities. The most impactful rule. Now, let's take a moment to reflect on the most impactful rule from this list. Rule 1. Live below your means stands out as a foundational principle. It's simple yet powerful. By spending less than you earn, you create the foundation for all other financial success. This rule allows you to save, invest, and build wealth over time. It's a principle that every millionaire on this list follows, regardless of their income level. There you have it, 20 rules of money from 20 millionaires. These principles have helped these individuals build and maintain their wealth.